Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD, and our inverse head and shoulders is fast turning into a flag, and I think the best way to look at this is on the hour. And let's just get a channel tool here. Oh, that's not going to help us. Okay, there is our channel. So we had this inverse head and shoulders here, and you can see we did test it. Nice entry for a long, but we haven't hit the measured move. The measured move is pretty much in this zone here of 119,960. So at the moment, it is looking like we have a potential flag. So there's the bearish move. Here's the consolidation move, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves. So fairly strong flag. So ultimately 119,214 is the area to watch. So the neckline of that inverse head and shoulders is what we need to watch. If we drop below that, come back and test that level, it is more than likely opportunity for another short. So at the moment, obviously there's no structure, so the next move should be up to the top of this channel, which would basically, if I extend the channel, would basically tag the measured move. So yeah, 50-50 call at the moment. You've got an inverse head and shoulders, then you've got a head and shoulders here. So this is our critical level. It's 119,200. So break and retest of that, then I would expect a much bigger measured move taking into account this structure here. But I'll call that out on the Telegram channel if I see it. But that is looking relatively interesting. Moving on to US dollar, Japanese yen. Nothing really happened. We had a range bar here, and as I said yesterday, that with the euro looking stronger and then the dollar looking stronger, here is divergence between the two pairs. So at the moment, if you look at the grouping here, we've got a grouping of the oscillators. We're kind of just above this 110,867 area, and we have a range bar on that area. So coming down to the 1 hour, you can see that was the structure we had yesterday, above and below it. Nothing really to write home about. What I do want to do though is just bring that area in. Oh, no need to bring it in. It wasn't adhered to. So this is the structure we're waiting for. So I would want to see a pullback onto 110,867 and then another attempt to the upside. But just be wary of this divergence here. You can see high. Pretty much another high. See, very slightly you have a new higher high there, and your oscillators is high and low, so divergence here, which is indicating another move to the downside. Trend is up, bottom line. So on the 8 hour and the 1 hour, trend is up, so you're looking for opportunity to buy into this. The big question is where. So get into your 8 hour, draw your levels, and that is actually your level there. So that's a level we're looking for a pullback onto, 110,840. Could also be a little bit deeper than that based on what I see on the oscillator at the moment. So line up your levels, and all we do is we pick up these tails here. So it could also be a bit of a big pullback to 110,498, and there is a gap lower down as well. But that is what we're looking for. So no opportunity there at the moment. British pound, Japanese yen, nothing really going on. We did break through this channel, and then we're back into the channel at the moment. So nothing that I can ascertain on the higher time frame. Diversions, you see high, low, high, low. So let's just take one of these levels from the top here. We're looking to get below this pin bar. That's pretty much the structure that is being built. Okay, so on the higher time frames, we do have a bit of a crossover brewing. So we are in an upward trend as well. We had a death cross there. Now we're getting a golden cross again. But I would want to see a pullback onto structure to see that. And at the moment, that structure is pretty much 154,555. So if you look at the hour, you can see there is our area that we're looking for. We've got crossovers galore here, and we still have this measured move. So we've got the inverse head and shoulders here. Structure is still in place. We've got a crossover here. So if you took this trade on the break, your stop is here. You can pretty much move your stop to entry at the moment, and I would anticipate a bit of a move down to 154.555, and that is going to offer the opportunity for another entry in my view at the moment. So long as we get some price action there, and this is your ultimate target here, which is the head and shoulders target of 156.084. Lastly, euro British pound. So trend is down on this. We are moving down. I've got a bit of a sort of a bullish structure here, inside bar on a major level, and let's just adjust the level now because that is our new level. And then we've broken this trend line as well. So trend is down. You should be looking for opportunity to sell into this, but I'm not so sure you want to be selling at this level. Remember, we spoke about this some time ago on the weekly and the monthly chart. This is a massive area of support. So for me, I think this one is, I definitely want to go with the trend, which is down, but I want to be looking for opportunities higher up. So looking for pullbacks in structure. And based on what I see here yesterday, all these tails, big up, big down, big confusion, not really interested in this at the moment. So this one will sit on the sides. So yeah, British pound, Japanese yen, still got your measured move on offer, and then euro USD, pay attention there, can go either way, can sort of move back to the top of that channel, or alternatively drop, and you've got a much bigger move to the downside. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.